Hello, and welcome to another 8-minute demo. Today we're going to be talking about the OIS-SCOM Extensibility Kit 2.0, something recently updated on the CodePlex website. My name is Charles Joy. I'm a Tech Evangelist Solutions Architecture for the System Center suite of products. Hello. Today we're going to take another look at the OIS-SCOM Extensibility. In fact, I've released a 2.0 version of the Extensibility Kit up on CodePlex attached to this blog. So let's get to it. So this functionality that we're going to look at today deals with looking for pending agent installs, like we see here, and then approving them via workflow. So what the workflow will actually do is search for pending agents to be installed, and then it will also pass that list of pending approvals to another object that will approve them and then thus have them install. So I have a workflow here and just two objects similar to the other notification subscription objects. As you can see, very similar, same exact object, but we're pulling in different data. You can see that we have 4 objects available, 4 classes available, as opposed to just 2. So if we pop back over to the agent installs, we can take a look. As we did see before, there are 4 now, and we have the approve in the list. This one happens to be list. If we take a look at the properties, it's just asking for the SCOM server. You could have renamed that to anything you want. I call it SCOM server for whatever reason, and then I've identified my SCOM server. Now I could have chosen that from the pick list if I wanted to, and it happens to be that one, or I could type in the IP address. So the important part is this is going to go out using the SDK for OIS and SCOM and return to me a list of the pending agent installs. And then just for demo purposes, I'm going to go ahead and pass that information directly into the approved pending agent install, where you can see I use the published data from the previous object, SCOM server, and then the agent computer name where we want to put to actually approve that agent for install. Now, obviously, you wouldn't do this in real practice. You would probably query for the list, maybe put that into a change request, and then based on the approvals of the change request, based on the list, you can then have another workflow go through and query for approved change requests, and then based on the information in that change request, go ahead and approve the pending agent install. But to save time and for the demo, we're just going to get the list, which is only one, and then pass it to the approve. So I have a testing console open so we can watch it step by step. Otherwise, it goes pretty quick. So we're going to hit step over. You can see here that the object is configured. I'm going to hit next. And you will see here that we're ready for it. It found an agent computer name and the full action. You can see that it was a manual for manual approval. And let's hop over to that machine real quick and log in, apparently. And we can see here that I have it manually installed. I manually installed here, and I had it set in SCOM to just notify me and put it in pending after manual install. So I could hit approve here, but that's not any fun. So I'm going to use the automated solution. So you can see that the pending agent install is on this computer, and of course it matches up with that computer there. Now we've automatically passed that on the data bus over to this next object, which is to approve them. So if I hit next, you can see that went real quick. We approved it, and now if we go into SCOM and hit refresh, and you can see it's already been done. Just have to wait for, and there it is. Now, obviously, it's not going to be installed because it was already manually installed. It was just waiting for approval. So it is all ready to go here for monitoring. And that's about it. The code is available on CodePlex. You could change it up, give different names or whatever you want, but essentially that's about it. Now, if we reran this, we don't have any pending items, so if we hit next, you can see it gives us no pending agent installs were found for this management group. So it's rerunnable, so you don't have to worry about it crashing if or breaking if there are no agents pending. And then if you do run this and there are some installing or repairing or anything like that. Anyway, that's about it. I know it's real simple. The code is available. Go ahead and play with it. The existing code for the older integration to the OIS-SCOM Extensibility Kit is also available. I've updated documentation and everything, so I hope you enjoy.
We certainly appreciate you watching. Thank you.